Hi everyone. This video will show you how to open and use Snipping tool on Windows 10/11 to use it to take a screenshot on your PC. 6 ways to open Snipping tool on Windows 10/11. 1. Open Snipping tool from Start menu. Click Start, Windows Accessories, Snipping tool. Two. Open Snipping tool with Windows Search. Press Windows and S, type Snipping tool in the search box, and choose Snipping tool app. 3. Open Windows Snipping tool via Run. Press Windows R, type Snipping tool in the Run dialog, and click OK. 4. Open Windows Snipping tool with CMD. Press Windows and R, type CMD, and press Enter. Type snippingtool.exe and press Enter. 5. Run Snipping tool with Windows PowerShell. Press Windows and R, type PowerShell, and press Enter. Type Snipping tool and press Enter. 6. Create a Snipping tool shortcut. Right-click the blank area on the desktop and choose New and Shortcut. Type snippingtool.exe and click Next. Type Snipping tool and click Finish. Double-click the Snipping tool shortcut. How to use Snipping tool in Windows 10/11 to take a screenshot. Open Snipping tool on Windows 10/11. Click Mode to choose a snipping mode. Drag your mouse to select the area to take a screenshot. Click Save, Copy, Send, or Edit to do more actions to the screenshot. How to recover deleted lost files, photos, etc. for free. Double-click Minitool Power Data Recovery. Select the location and click Scan. Wait until it finishes the scan process. Find and check needed files. Click Save and select a destination to store the recovered files. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.